Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect and sync your Google Calendar with your Cloud AI. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, go to the official website, cloud.ai, log into your account, and once here, I want you to click on your profile icon right over here, click on it, go to settings, then here, I want you to go to the section called connectors. Click on it. You will see various options. We have Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. Click on Calendar and basically just need to select your Google account. It will look like this. Now, once you've successfully selected your account, just confirm and you will head back to this page and you will notice that it has been successfully integrated. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.